What if I told you there's a gift guaranteed to be a favorite long past the holidays? None of this used once nonsense. We're talking lifelong enjoyment. If it's for a kid, they won't let their parents get rid of it when they go to college. If it's for a grown-up, they'll thank you for letting them be a kid again. What is this miracle product? KEVA Planks. KEVA Planks are the world's most precise wooden building block, an open-ended toy that is well loved by 3-year-old architects and full-grown architects alike. Everyone builds at their own skill level, so as a child matures, they dream of new designs and become more expert in stacking planks carefully and cleverly. New building techniques open up new worlds of possibilities. Rather than growing tired of the activity, they'll become more energized as their skills grow. Whether you're a parent or a grandparent, an auntie or a funkle, when you give KEVA Planks, they'll think of you every time they build something new. And it's great to be remembered. Give KEVA Planks and be the hero of the holidays and beyond. Click below to become the hero today.